and Assalamu alaikum. This tutorial is very helpful and potential for those who want to learn information technology fields, skills like web development, potentials, information of things, Python, AI, mobile app development and lots more. So basically in this video I will discuss about 5 websites that providing free certificates and online courses as well. So without any time waste, let's get started. So I am starting with the Bit Degree, fifth list of my website. It is the online website for students. So you can read what is Bit Degree article. Bit Degree started from the ICO in 2017 in an online educational platform that focuses on teaching digital skills, I mean information technology. Bit Degree uses blockchain technology to record educational achievement and enable anyone to issue cryptocurrency based scholarship to learners. It is also an opportunity for those. So kindly read homepage articles, it's mandatory. Find your calling and explore your country. So by the way, you can also apply for a scholarship here, apply now or become a scholar sponsor if you want as well. Here are feedbacks, also potential feedbacks of students. So basically this is the main part. Video editing with Adobe Premiere CC 2020, it is a paid course, $49. So second one is free, how to create a website the easy way using Zyro website builder. So all are paid, because here also are paid courses or unpaid courses too, free. Just sort out all courses by applying free courses keyword. Whenever you apply this free courses keyword, it is all sort out free courses tutorials as well, just like how to create a WordPress blog for free. It is very important certificate as well, important course. You can start learning now by creating your own account. I already linked my account as well. By if you wanna enroll any one of these, by sort out your own favorite subject, field, skill, etc. So you can sort out from here. There are many courses available. Learn how to create online courses and earn $1 million. 5 different social media marketing courses in one. So all courses are available also here. Paid courses and unpaid courses also available here. So you must have to look, get some time, invest some time. So sort out some best courses for your brands. So have a look my profile. Whenever I go my courses, you can see I already enrolled 2 courses already. 2 courses already, and already I completed 1 course, Bootstrap and PHP blog tutorial as well, and I already get certificate. So this is a very pure legit website. So our next website is Khan Academy, free online courses, lessons and practice. Learn for free about math, art, computer programming or artificial intelligence, into information technology, software engineering or blah blah whatever. So Khan Academy is an educational website. It is an American-based not-profit educational organization. It is founded by Salman Khan on 2008. So you can also read, people also ask FAQ, is Khan Academy really free? Trusted content, all content are provided pure, created by experts. Khan Academy's library of trusted standards, aligned practice and lessons covers math, K-12 through early college, grammar, science, history, apps, SAT and more. It's all free for learners and teachers. So let's go on khanacademy.org. By the way, all links are in the description. So nav bar, here is the courses section. Click on the courses. So here is the subcategories. So select computer programming. So on the scroll down, you can see some courses are available here. So it's totally web development courses are available here. Intro to GS drawing and animation, intro to programming, drawing basics, whatever. So anyone is interested, so kindly enroll it and sign up here. All courses are legit and pure, created by experts. So next website is Ellison, free online courses and online earning. It's also an online educational platform. So you can read here a short article. Ellison is a free online education platform that mostly focuses on workplace based skills. It is founded in Galway. So it is Chief Executive Officer is Mike Freak, founder Mike Freak, founded on April 2017. So you can see FAQ. Our Ellison courses are good. So you can see the majority of Ellison online course reviews are positive. Most users claim that Ellison's courses were useful and provided them with a set of new skills should be considered as micro courses. So by the way, go to ellison.com. All links are given in the description. First of all, you have to do sign up. I already signed up here. Yes, you can see. So for example, I need to go course category, course type, sorry. So certificate courses, select certificate courses. So now select your field. I select IT information technology. Now you can see top 60 free courses heading also available, so you can judge. They also give diploma, free diploma. So now we select one of the example course. So I like this course, computer networking, wired and wireless networks and protocol device. So click on start now, so you can enroll it very easily. Click on start, you can enroll. Now as you can see, network fundamentals understanding wired and wireless networks. So here are 7 topics. So you need to continue these topics by clicking start topic. So you already enrolled in. So read, having completed this module, you will be able to describe the structure and function of twisted per cable, list cable speeds and the cable types, list tools needed when making the connections between page and cables and RJ45 jacks. Define the terms attenuation and inference in relation to networking. Describe the structure and function of wireless networks. By the way, click on the next. So it is the basic fundamentals how to enroll a simple and final courses of Ellison. By the way, you can select courses by your own keywords, just like I like HTML, HTML5. Here is it. Select whatever you want. Just select interested subjects only, just like this. They also providing certificate and it's located on IT, Introduction to New Features of HTML5 Start Now. So this certificate is also enrolled on my account. This is very easy platform, online educational platform. No need to pay, no need to invest. So HTML5 training center has been established, so I can continue my course after the video. So next website in my list is Facebook Blueprint. You can read this tagline: 2 free online training for advertising. Basically it is our digital marketing certificates. All our digital marketing certificates available in Facebook Blueprints. So you can read this FAQ article to what is Facebook Blueprint. Facebook Blueprint is an e-learning platform that offers free self-paced courses on Facebook and Instagram advertising. Basically totally digital marketing. So I am going with courses as well. So when I click on courses, it redirects to facebook.com. It's connected with Facebook. So I am going this first one, Facebook Certified Media Planning Professional Exams Courses. Click on enroll. Whenever you click on enroll, it will ask you about login your Facebook account. I already link my Facebook account here, as you can see my image. So this course is divided into 4 parts: need assessments, learning and insights, media recommendation, and then camping performance. Whenever I click needs assessment, so it gives some topics according to their headings, translate and advertisers, blah blah. After completing this section, you will jump into the next section, then third one. After completing 4th section, you will get your certificate from Facebook, as you can see. But this part is inactive due to you need to complete this weightage percentage as well. So next website is Lynda. Also it is known as LinkedIn Learning. As you read this article, LinkedIn Learning is an American website offering videos courses taught by industry experts in software, creative and business skills. It is founded in 1995. So is Lynda free for students? We are pleased to announce that all students now have free access to thousands of courses and online videos covering software, technology, business and creative skills from lynda.com online learning platform. But I recommend go to linkedin.com, not Lynda, because it's also linked from LinkedIn Learning. So on scroll down, you can see here a section www.linkedin.com learning topics LinkedIn learning. Click on it. So you can see here some Lynda courses are available through LinkedIn learning. So as you can see, gaming skills with the LinkedIn learning, but these are paid courses as well. So you need to get some free courses as well. So I already opened this article too. Microsoft makes 250 plus hours of LinkedIn learning content available for free. So you can see some list is created from this article. Class Central created some list. Become a software developer, this course is also available. Become a sales representative, all types of courses are available. You can read this article from my description. So I am going with become a software developer. Click. So it will redirect to linkedin.com. So it is redirecting. So as you can see, this it is giving some article. Become a software developer. You need to practice this popular technologies like HTML and CSS. So I am going this. As you can see, many courses are available. So Python is also available. Python is also available. If I click on learning Python, it will redirect to learning platform maybe. By the way, my account is also linked. So it is redirect to course portal as well. So you can read course details too, learning groups, see all. They are also giving certificates, exercise files too, because it is free certificate also. So installing Python, all learning objects are available. If you like this content, kindly share to others on WhatsApp, LinkedIn and YouTube as well. But please share this video for beginners, so kindly they can get some benefits with these courses as well. Thanks.